Yeah.
Do something like that. I thought would be nice.
Hey, Mariah, your dad got up this morning or went to bed went to work last night and got off, and your mama was in her snoring up a storm. I'm talking snoring, vibrating the bed. I'm talking about it was horrible. Do you hear me? I like literally poked my finger in her back, and I was like, "Is it coming from there? Is it coming from there? Like, where is it coming?" Then the vibration. I was trying to see where the vibration coming from, but we wound up getting up. We went to church this morning. We was late. We stayed. We caught service, and they said a prayer. We shot up out of there. And then we went to go get something to eat. You know, she on bed resting now. You see, that's your brother on that shirt. Nicest person you ever meet in your damn life. For real. Best person you ever meet in your life. Baby, you got something you want to say? Oh, they told her the other day when we went to the doctor. What they say, baby?
They didn't say nothing.
Yeah, they did say something.
Oh, cut back over my sugar intake or something? They could have started a new, like, diet plan.
She said cut back on her sugar intake or something. They told her no more sugar, period. I don't know what she talking about. But it's okay. She'll be alright. She been binging, but you been in there kicking. You know, we putting up these stuff to you right now. We're gonna try to make going to church every week and maybe a Bible study, a thing before you get here, cause we gotta build back up to what? How it said, baby? Try to build back up to the parents we was for MJ.
Yeah, our faith and our spirit. Are you recording me?
See, she act like she know I wasn't recording, so I guess I'm just sitting here talking to myself.
You was turning it around to show me. You can keep the camera on you.
Why I gotta keep the camera on me?
Because you catching me off guard. You gotta at least let me know you could have put it on me.
Why? You gonna make yourself pretty or something for the camera?
Turn around.
What you gonna do?
She'll understand when she get older. We really don't care for off guards. Our off guards are fake. We want to pretend that we're off guard. When in reality, we posing but looking like we're not.
Just some memories for you. We love you. And MJ, you already know. Love you, boy.